you got into this video thinking there was some kind of little secret formula to, as an entrepreneur, to get over procrastination. Now, the truth is, and as much as I'd love to tell you there isn't. And if you've already watched my first video, you know that the reason why I built this YouTube channel is for us as entrepreneurs, to build that community and all be able to get together and know the truth. Now, this perception that you have about that is totally wrong. And let me tell you a little bit about that. All these videos that you're watching, these self-improvement videos, the help gurus that are trying to, as much, I don't want to name people, but obviously the things that they're telling you, it's just, it really is just, it's procrastination itself, right? What it basically means is, you're doing what you have to. And the truth is, you're not gonna have every single day a perfect day where you completely eliminate and execute on the things you need to do. So some days, you're gonna be able to get through some stuff, and there's gonna be some distractions that come aboard. Now, it's the way that you go about it that will make, at the end of the day, you're still gonna make progress, right? That's the point. You wanna take these little wins and this progress and be like, okay, I've done this, right? And I don't know if you've watched I'm in Gadgy. If you've seen some of his videos, unfortunately there's some things that I don't agree with now that he's at this point. But back then, when he was making his videos, he's very transparent with people. And at one point he said, like, sometimes we might wake up late. You might not wake up at the time you say, but the thing that happens is you sit around, you complain, you get mad at yourself, and that's procrastination in itself. So what you need to do is, okay, it happened, get up, do what you have to do, right? Same thing when, okay, today I'm not feeling the best, right? Get up, do some of it, and then, over time, you're progressing, right? And over time, it's just going to become something that you do. Like, you're going to work on, obviously it gets to the point where you need to be aware if you're doing it too much, right? Like, if that's it, that in itself could become a procrastination itself. So you need to be aware and have clarity. So stuff like, habits, having all these habits is, in my opinion, it doesn't work completely for me. I'm not saying it's not going to work for you, but my point of this video is to tell you that you need to find what works for you. And that's not watching videos. That's not sitting around finding all these tips. And if you look at all these, the people that are really billionaires are not sitting there watching self-help videos and stuff like that. They find things for themselves. Like, if they're not up to it, they might find some stuff to do, and they find that it helps them, right? And that's how people came about, reading, meditation. They didn't just sit down. They didn't sit around watching videos, right? So they figured these things out themselves, and that's what my big tip right here is, and something that's helped me along this journey. And I'm in no way the place I want to be, or the best that I can be, right? I'm in the same spot as you guys, and that's why I make these. I wanna connect with you guys and let you know that we're in the same spot, right? So I'm recording off my phone. So as you know, I'm brand new at this. I don't have a camera. I'm not at the point yet, but at some point I will. Now, another point I'd like to hit is, all these people that you're watching are already at a point where, they might just, you get at a point where it's more convenient for them to tell you that. It's what you want to hear, right? Oh, do this. It makes you feel productive. But the truth is, it's not productive. The truth is, it all depends on your goal, right? If your goal is to start a business, then that should be what productivity is for you. Sitting down, doing the tasks you need to do, and get them done. If your goal is to, let's say, exercise, right? Be in great shape, have the body that you want, then that should be what's productive to you, not sitting around watching videos for it. It should be in itself, you doing that action, right? Same thing with business, like I just said, you doing working on your business. Now, if you know, one of your goals is to, I don't know, maybe you're playing a sport and you want to become the best at it, and that's your goal, and that's what's productive to you, right? You need to do that thing, not anything else. And whether it's for a sport, for example, I used to play sports myself. That would be spending more time at the gym, doing more drills, stuff like that. And this is kind of what this channel is about. Me being, you know, giving you guys the raw information nowadays. And you might know this, information is used as a weapon, unfortunately. And you know, a lot of the stuff that you watch is made with bad intention. If it's not made with bad intention, it's made with you know, not much evidence behind it, right? And all these people that you watch nowadays, they might have you know, to gain something out of it. That's why they tell you it, but they don't tell you the truth. As you may see, some of these big, you know, let's say YouTubers, they say all these things, and at the end of the day, when anything happens, they don't stand up for it, right? So that's kind of where I'm at with that. And a lot of the time, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're watching this, you're obviously an entrepreneur. You're starting your business. You're around the ages of 18 to 25, around there. If you're starting a business and you're an entrepreneur, you need to really know what entrepreneur means, right? And the meaning behind entrepreneur is someone that overtakes a organization, right? Someone that the founder or somebody that directs an organization. That's what that entrepreneurship means. Now, Joseph Schumpeter, in his theory of economic development, he talks about something very interesting. Nowadays, we're all like, okay, I'm an entrepreneur, and we're all going through this, like, okay, what it means to be an entrepreneur. It means making money and just taking stuff for ourselves. The truth is, entrepreneurship is, and I'm gonna quote him in here, the joy of creating, of getting the work done. What else? So it's the joy of creating, of getting work done, to simply use one's energy and ingenuity, to conquer, the will to conquer, the will to conquer, the impulse to fight, to succeed for the sake, not for the sake of, not for the fruits of success, but success itself. It's I know it's a little like, but basically what that means is, you know, take the journey and find fun of it. Like the things you're creating, of getting the work done, find joy in it. Like of seeing that progress. Like I know at some points you might feel stuck and you don't feel it, but trust me, like you need to sit down and take that time. But it's really what this video is about. I'd love to continue making videos. I'd love to know what you guys know. I know we're just starting out. I barely got any views on the other video, but this is really a journey for myself, where I'm starting in a journey, and for you guys, if you have any topics that we could go through, I'd love to go through those. And that's pretty much for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.